Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Mm, nice. Alright guys, just look at these wings. Just look how beautiful it look. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to prepare these very delicious sesame wings. Alright guys, if you want to see the full recipe to this video, just click the link below and go to my channel. There's tons of awesome recipe to choose. Also, click that subscribe button below along with that notification bell just to keep you notified whenever I have a new release. So here I have the finishing product of my sesame chicken wings. Oh, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow.